Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and return Amazon items there in Amazon shopping. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, what you gotta do is simply go ahead, open your Amazon shopping app, and then what you gotta do is simply go ahead, tap on your profile icon right there. Then once you're done, what you gotta do is simply go ahead, tap on this your orders option given. So as you can see, currently I do not have any orders. So if you have ordered something, purchased something that you would like to return, you will see a list of products right here, right? Then what you can do is, for some products there are always mention limits that until when you can return them. So what you're going to do is simply go ahead, tap on the product that you have here in your order list, and go ahead, check if that product has not passed the time that was given. Then you will be able to return your item. But if it has passed the time, for example, if it was listed for 36 days and if it has passed the day's time, then you won't be able to return that item. So always make sure that particular detail right there. Go ahead, tap on this return, add in the details, add in the option why you're returning. If it's not usable, got any defects, then you can simply add that and send that to Amazon. They will look it up and they will let you know when you are allowed to return them, and if it is okay, you're gonna get the exchange, or you can simply go ahead, return your item. So yes guys, this is how you can simply go do it. I hope this video was helpful. If you got more concerns, do leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll see you guys next time.